गोंयांत पावस आयलो काय फुटसाल मोगी मेळत त्या इंडोर हॉलांनी खेळूंक लागतात. अशे फुटसाल मोगी आशिल्ल्या राज्यान ऑफिशियल फुटबॉलाची संघटना म्हळ्यार GFA कांयच करना म्हूण लोक बेजार जाल्ले. आतां मात GFAन फुटसालाचेर लक्ष घालपाचें थारायलां. अंदू हे सर्तीची सुरवात पणजेन जातली अशें GFAचे अध्यक्ष एल्विस गोमसान प्रुडंटाक सांगलां.
See, as far as futsal is concerned, first there was a little bit of ambiguity whether the GFA would be regulating futsal. So we have made a reference to the All India Football Federation. There was ambiguity there also, clarity was not forthcoming. Now that they have clarified that futsal also it comes within the regulatory framework of the FIFA, and from FIFA to AFF and AFF to GFA, this year we have decided to organize a futsal league for the clubs. Now what shape that league will take, because we have 182 affiliated clubs which are active out of the 200 odd. So we are first and foremost, the biggest challenge why we could not do it little earlier was the infrastructure. Play futsal we require a decent infrastructure, even that which is available in Don Bosco is reasonably good, but still it needs a better infrastructure. Nevertheless, what we have done is this time we have decided to make an introduction. So at the introductory stage we would not expect all the 182 would come. Futsal is considered as necessary now because it gives a lot of practice, it develops good players, it's a shorter version, and most of the top stars in the world have always come through the futsal also. And this year we are starting it maybe mid-July, so that the players get an exposure. Now is off season and they will be prepared for the season to come.